Hey guys, so I was working in the garden and this female praying mantis just decided to just jump right at me. So we know it's a female mantis because her abdomen is much more wider than the males, but also female praying mantids are actually slightly bigger than the males. The males are much more skinnier and they're actually the only ones, mostly, that can fly. Praying mantises are really great predators. Their anatomy enables them to be able to strike and hold on to their prey while they're being consumed using their raptorial arms. They're also really quick at running away and are really good at camouflaging with the surroundings. Praying mantises are really great predators, but something to note is that they're general predators, meaning that they'll pretty much eat anything they can, and that even includes the beneficial insects such as butterflies, beetles, and bees that we want in the garden, but they can also fall prey to the praying mantis. You can purchase praying mantis eggs online or in the store, but a great way to really introduce praying mantises is by just having a lot of vegetation and hiding spots in your garden. This will enable them to stay and come back year after year. We hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.